Today I will be featuring Ahava Felicidad hair sugar products. The first one is called Bonheur Felicidad hair sugar. The other is the original coconut lemon cake hair sugar, activated hair sugar, and those are some of her cards telling you a little bit about her and her products. So I'll be using the original coconut lemon cake hair activated hair sugar. It smells really good, and I'll talk more about that. So I'm using a plastic bowl, and I'm just going to pour some of the hair sugar into the bowl. I'm just going to start off with using some, just a small amount, and I'm going to increase that amount throughout. So I used about half of the bag so far. And I'm going to use some of my favorite conditioner. It is from I got it from Sally's, and it's comparable to Nexus hair conditioner. And I'm just going to apply amount that I think will be good. Now I'm going to let you guys know that you see that amount right there. I should put a lot more conditioner, but I'm going to add some water to it, and I'm going to mix it up. So I recommend that you don't mix it up, but if you do, just know that the sugar will dissolve into the mixture. But I guess that'll be good for like the shaft of your hair. Just make sure you apply more conditioner enough. So I started mixing it up, which I wish I wouldn't have did. I would just recommend to keep it separate. And I'll link the video of her giving you the instructions so you could do it. Just make sure you follow the instructions really well. The demonstration that she gave in her video was for medium density, about 8 inches long. So if your hair is 3 times that, that's about 24 inches, then you would do um, that that mixture 3 times, or you would do 3 times that amount that she mentioned. Or if it's about 14 inches, then you would do twice the amount that she mentioned. So now I'm applying that to my hair. I showed you guys the mixture. I mixed it up, but I also added some more conditioner, and I added some more scrub. So I got a heaping amount of conditioner and scrub into my hair without it being mixed up together. So I'm just applying it to different spots, and I have 4 sections in my hair. And I'm starting with the first section, which is in the front, which you guys see. And I'm just going to apply that directly to my scalp first. So I'm just going to apply that all over and massage that. And her products are made with 100% natural organic essential oils. So you see what I'm talking about. You see some conditioner and you see some scrub or some hair sugar. You want it like that, so it could be, it could work effectively. You could feel the scrub on your scalp, and it'll work better like that rather than it being emoliated or dissolved into the conditioner. And you can apply this to your hair shaft, but I would recommend you to add lots of conditioner. Do not add just a little. And I'm gonna talk more about why you shouldn't just use a little bit. And she shows you that you should use a lot of conditioner as well. But I'm gonna share my experience towards the end of the video. But that's one section that I'm doing that with. And I'm gonna move to the next section. And her hair sugars are meant to um, cleanse and clarify the scalp and the hair and draw in moisture. Some people have used it without conditioner, and some use it with the shampoo and conditioner, and then you use it on your body. And exfoliating your body is really good too, and it helps to remove scars and all that stuff. And this is really good to remove dead skin cells from your scalp, which we really don't do, even though we may use shampoos and do good massages in our scalp. Sometimes we're not removing that skin cell that can be removed. And it's also really good for circulation, which promotes hair growth. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just finding random spots, trying to get it throughout all my scalp, and I'm showing you my temples right there. Yeah, that is one of my problem spots right now at the moment. Like I have a lot of hair. You see that it goes to my forehead, and it goes down by my eyebrows as well. um and it has been shedding a lot lately. in my temple and edge area. So I'm was just making sure I'm focusing on massaging that part with the scrub, to get it to circulate and to get blood flowing right there. And I also, need to get into taking my supplements again and eating better because I don't really eat too good. I eat like whatever I want. I need to start incorporating healthier foods back into my diet and to also take my iron as well because I've noticed not just because it's been shedding, but just for my overall health. But as far as my hair goes, I noticed that that part of my hair has been shedding a lot, which it should be shedding the least amount, because it's not even as much hair right there as naturally as the rest of my head anyway, and it's shedding more than the rest of my hair. Okay, guys, I'm back. So this is it after I used the hair scrub over my head. This is the front. The back, you can see, and my hair. I just used the hair scrub with the conditioner and a few drops of regular bottled water. It smells so good. I don't know if I'm gonna share this part or if I'm just gonna do a full voiceover, but my sister, one of them, came over and said that it smells so good. She came over here because of the smell and she loves it and she wants to use it on her hair. So I have two more samples, one more of the original the original lemon cake that I'm using right now, and the Bon, I forgot how to say it. I'm gonna look it up and insert it, a voiceover of the part. Felicidad. I can't remember how to pronounce the first word. Scalp exfoliating sugar blend, and then the other one is activated sugar blend, hair sugar blend. Um, yeah, my hair feels really moisturized. It smells super duper good. It actually feels really good too. I was kind of skeptical about just using a hair scrub, hair sugar scrub. I didn't know if that would like cleanse my hair good enough. I haven't washed my hair in a week, but it feels really good. So I'm gonna rinse this out and be back once my hair is rinsed and blow dried. I rinsed out the product out of my hair and look how clean my scalp looks. If you've seen that other clip, and it looked so nice and shiny and moisturized. So my hair felt really good after I removed the product, and the product smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. My sister, she came in and told me how good my hair smelled. She was wondering what was the smell because it was smelling so good. It was all over the house, and not in a bad way. Like, it was good. I love good sweet smelling stuff. Baked good smells like cake and cookies, and it smells just like lemon. Lemon, lemon pound cake. That's what it reminds me of, like a nice lemon butter cake or pound cake. It smells just like that. So you'll get like a lemon scent and a cake scent. I don't really get coconut too much in the scent, but it smells really good. And when I rinsed it out, it felt really, my scalp and hair felt really good. But once I got to blow drying, because I did blow dry my hair because I wanted to do protective style in my hair. I wanted to do some braids. Um, I noticed while I was blow drying that my hair was feeling really hard. And normally, even if I would wash my hair with shampoo and not use any conditioner at all, it might feel a little dry, but it doesn't ever feel hard. It felt hard like I had hairspray or I overdid protein or used spurts. And I try to just say, hey, maybe it's just that part. So I put more and more hair product on my hair, more and more of my moisturizer that I use. And when I put it on, it felt good. But then when I start blow drying, it just hardened my hair up. So like I had to eventually stop after I did like a few sections of my hair. I don't know, if maybe it still had some of the product left on my hair, which I didn't feel any grains, or if um it just wasn't working for me. So I decided to just stop. I took a break and then I went to rinse my hair, and then I used one of my light moisturizing shampoos. I used Design Essentials, the Natural Line shampoo that I mentioned in one of my hair favorites. I'll leave the name across the screen. I used that once. I didn't use it on my scalp at all. because my scalp felt amazing. Didn't have any irritation, no dirt, no buildup. And so yeah, I wanted to give it a third review. So I used that Design Essential shampoo just once. Didn't touch my scalp with it. I just put it down the shaft or the strands of my hair, rinsed it out, applied the same conditioner that I used in the video, left it on my hair, detangled it thoroughly, and rinsed it out. Didn't deep condition anything, and went in to do the same procedure, which is blow dry my hair. Used the same moisturizer and blow dried it, and it was perfect. It was great. Like I didn't have that feeling at all. So it was either I still had some of the product on it, or I definitely didn't use enough conditioner, which I still, even if it was some left over on my hair, I know for sure that I didn't use enough conditioner. By when I watched her video tutorial of how to use the products over, I seen that she used, make sure it was a lot of conditioner in the bowl. And my hair is well over 8 inches, even though, as you see it natural and curly, that it doesn't look too long. But if you see me stretch it out, you see that it's very long. So I will need at least double or 2.5 times the amount that she mentioned for my hair. So yeah, it wasn't nearly enough conditioner. So I know that was the main reason. So just learn from me. Just if you choose to use this product, do not use a little bit conditioner. Make sure you have a lot of conditioner before you use this. You might even make sure you check your conditioner, because sometimes you could think you have a certain amount and you don't. Make sure you go out and buy some. If you don't think you have enough conditioner, just buy a new bottle of your conditioner, and just make sure whatever conditioner you have, you pour it all in there. Like, make sure you have enough. Watch her video so you could get a better understanding of how to do it. Because I want you to really follow the instructions. It's very important. Make sure you have enough, so this won't happen to you. Your hair won't feel hard. It's nothing wrong with the product. I told her my concerns or whatever after she checked up on me, and I let her know how it was going. Um, but yeah, you don't want your hair to feel hard like that. That was kind of scary for me. And if I would have kept on going on with the blow drying process, I could have broke it off my hair. That's how hard it was. It was like very stiff, like I couldn't move it. So just make sure you use the right, you mix it up properly. You use the right amount for your hair type, like your density, like the fullness, thickness of your hair, and the length. And I would recommend this product. I really do like it. It made my scalp feel really good. This is 2 days after I used it, and my scalp still feels really good. It's not itchy at all. It feels really clean. Still smells like the lemon cake. Smells so good. It feels pretty good. I would give this 4 stars. I really recommend to try this out, to add this into your regimen. I'm not getting paid for this video. I'm not getting paid for you guys to use the product. Um, at the moment or anything like that. Just try out the product to see how it works, and it works. I really do like it. Besides, how it felt on my hair strands, I just know that I have to use it differently on my hair. I have to add more conditioner. So I do recommend this. Like I said, you just have to mix it up right. And I would recommend that you add this into your regimen. This is something that I will be adding to my regimen. I am going to try this on other people, like my sisters. They really like the smell of it, and I really want to see how their hair and scalp will react to this as well. And I'll get back to you guys on that, how it feels on others' heads and hair. And what else I want to say? I really like this. He did a really good job, and I believe her product could go far. So, yeah. Thank you, Ahava Felicidad, for contacting me, for letting me try out your product. I really did enjoy using it, and thank you so much. And thank you guys for tuning in. If it's your first time coming to my channel, welcome. Join the fam and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Make sure you leave a comment if you want to ask any questions or with your thoughts. Have you ever used it? Have you ever tried a hair scrub? Are you interested in trying a hair scrub? Make sure you thumbs up this video, give it a like, and like I said, just make sure you follow instructions, guys. Make sure you pay attention. Oh, don't think like, hey, well, I can get away with this or whatever. Just listen. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.